Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how changing the currency settings in Windows 11. In Excel, when you change a column to currency, it automatically shows the dollar symbol, but you actually want something like the euro symbol. This happens because Windows is currently set to a region that uses USD as the default currency. Now let's change this from Windows settings. Click on the Start button and open Settings. Go to Time and Language. Then click on Language and Region. Now scroll down and find Regional Format. Click on it, then choose Currency Format. Look for the currency symbol. Now change the currency symbol, for example, Euro. Once you select it, the change is applied immediately. Now open Excel again. Type the number, and now you'll see the currency symbol has changed to the new one you selected. The available currency symbols depend on the region you have selected. Different regions will show different currency options. That's it for this video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.